Pumunta na ako ng 3rd floor dito sa bahay, guys. Hindi ko talaga... 3rd floor. Mansyon ng bahay natin. Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng isang try-on haul video, and these items are from the website SHEIN. Actually, I've got them for so long now. In order ko sila March, they got delivered to me mga first week of April. Pero ngayon ko lang magagawa ng video, guys. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. Anyways, we've got 7 items here to share with you guys. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, first up is this top that I'm wearing now. So, this is just a plain black top. Ayan. At hawak ko ang aking phone kasi may kulibo ako, guys. Babasahin ko kung anong tawag sa top na to. So, it's just a plain black top. At ang tawag dito ay a mock neck rib knit tee. Ayan. So, hindi siya turtleneck kasi yung turtleneck hanggang dito talaga, diba? So, parang halfway lang siya ng leeg mo. Ayan. Pero, gustong-gusto ko yung kulay na black, guys. Kasi, kung titingnan nyo, parang nakaka-slim siya, diba? Oh. Super nice. And also, I forgot to mention to you guys na nung in-order ko to, they were having 20% off. So, for this top, I paid $8.95. So, basically, $9, guys. And I think for $9, sobrang worth it nito. As you can see, lapit tayo, guys, ha, para makita nyo. Ayan. So, it's been cold in Melbourne kasi nga, diba, winter sa amin dito for the last month. And then, I've worn this one few times and obviously, nilabhan ko few times. And hindi siya nasira, guys. Tingnan nyo, the same pa rin yung kanyang mukha nung natanggap ko to. So, that means yung quality nito ay maganda. Super worth it yung $9 nyo dito, guys. And also, ilalagay ko lahat ng mga links in the description box below if ever available pa sila, guys. But I think they're still available. Para kung gusto nyo itry, pwede nyo itry. And all of these I got in size small. So, just for your reference, guys. Ayan. And I am 4'11". Ayan. And next up is this pink denim jacket, guys. Ayan. O, diba? Pop of color talaga sa closet nyo. This is one of my favorite color, guys, yung pink. Especially pag pinair mo siya sa black. Ayan. So, this is what it looks like. Medyo mahaba siya, guys, na jacket. O, diba? So, this is what they call flap pocket detail trucker denim jacket. Ayan. And I paid $16.13 for this one. Ayan. Kita ba, guys? Oh. Sobrang ganda din niya. Hindi siya masyadong makapal talaga. So, even though sa spring and also sa summer, magagamit ko pa rin to siya. Kasi hindi siya sobrang thick. And also, meron siyang ano dito, guys. So, pocket siya dito sa loob. Ayan. On the other side as well. But yeah. I love the length ng kanyang sleeve. Kasi hindi siya masyadong mahaba for me. Alam nyo naman, sobrang pitit ng atin nyo. Next up is this skirt here. So, may pa-leopard print siya na skirt. Looks like this. Ayan. And ang tawag dito ay leopard print drawstring asymmetrical hem skirt. Ayan. So, meron siyang drawstring dito. Ayan, sa gilid. Ayan. So, let's put this on. So, this is what it looks like on. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na drawstring, guys. So, if ever na gusto nyo ipakita yung mga wow legs nyo, ganyan, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust dito. Ayan. So, that's what it looks like on. Sobrang nice niya, guys, kasi kasyang-kasya siya dito sa aking waist. Ayan. And also, sa likuran, hindi siya to the point nakita yung lubot mo. Ayan, so saktong-sakto lang siya. Yan. And for this one, I paid $11.41. And I paired it with these shoes. Oh, diba? Bongga na. So next up is this skirt. Ito yung tinatawag nila na button detail, asymmetrical, ruffle hem, gingham skirt. That's a mouthful. Ayan. I paid $13.04 for this one. So this is what it looks like. Meron siyang mga buttons na paganap dyan sa harapan. And then, again, it's asymmetrical. So, short yung dito sa harap. Tapos, mahaba na yung sa likuran. Ayan. I pair it with these heels. Sobrang cute niya, guys. But to be honest, I don't really love it that much. Kasi kahit cute yung print niya and yung style niya, hindi siya flattering sa body type ko. So, as you can see, para siyang dito, hindi kasi siya nag-hug dito sa part na to. And you know naman na meron tayong mga belly-belly dyan. Ayan, so hindi siya masyadong magandang tingnan talaga. And also, I think it's too long for my liking, guys. Alam niyo naman ako, mahilig talaga ako sa shorts. Kasi, alam niyo, sobrang short ni ate niyo. Kaya, yun. Anyways, I think I'm going to give it to my sister, guys. Pero sobrang cute niya talaga, guys. Oh, kung i-pair niya lang siya sa heels, I think it's going to work out well. I can deal with the length, pero hindi ko to siya ma-deal dito, the part, guys, oh. Kasi sobrang, ewan ko, hindi lang talaga siya flattering tingnan. Anyways, that's that. So, next up is these purple pants. Ayan. Oh my God, I love! Super love. Ito pala yung tinatawag nila na buckle-belted slant pocket cigarette pants. Ayan. And you know what, guys? Diba nasabi ko na I received this last April and today ko lang talaga to siya nalabas sa kanyang plastic. Tingnan nyo. So, everything pala na natanggap natin nakalagay sa plastic na to, guys. Sobrang cute, no? Ayan. So, first time ko talagang tinanggal to sa plastic today, guys. And ngayon ko lang talaga siya na-try. And the size small fits me really, really well. Tingnan nyo. Hala, sobrang cute niya, guys. No? Gusto ko siya kasi parang nakaka-flutter siya dito sa, sa bum area. Hala, love. I love this one. Perfect to siya pang, pang work ko sa opisina, ganun. Oh, diba? Again, I paired it with these heels. And I think it looks really, really nice. Ayan. And also, guys, napansin nyo ba na sa lahat na tinry ko, yung pinair ko ay yung black na top na to? Diba? This black top is a must-have talaga, guys. Kasi it's very versatile. Kita nyo naman na bumagay siya lahat. Sa lahat ng pinair ko sa kanya. Diba? Super worth it talaga, guys. Anyways, back to the pants. I super love it. Ang ganda ng detailing ng buckle niya dito. Ayan. Yung napansin ko lang, guys, is hindi siya masyadong kumakapit. Ayan, oh. Magmo-move siya easily. Anyways, it is cute still. So, that's fun. Ayan. And also, the length niya, guys, is hindi siya sobrang mahaba sa akin. Dito lang talaga siya sa ankle. So, super nice. I paid $20.36 for this one. So next up is this slogan graphic tee. So this is what it looks like. Again, in size small siya, guys. And ito yung nakasulat sa harapan. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. Ayan. So, it looks like that. Very simple lang niya, guys. Ganyan. And I got this for $8.95. Ayan. So, pwede na siyang i-pair sa kung anong shorts kapag summer na, ganun, pag spring. But in this case, kasi suot-suot ko pa yung pants, guys. I can pair it with these pants as well. Pero kailangan ko siyang i-insert. Ayan, so it looks like this, guys, pairing with the pants. I think it looks really cute. Ayan. Super simple lang niya. However, medyo na-disappoint ako nung natanggap ko to siya, guys. Kasi akala ko kasi pure white talaga siya. Pero hindi siya sobrang white na white. May pagka off-white yung kulay niya. Although yung quality niya is super good, guys. I can't say anything bad about the quality niya. Yan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. No? Love everything that I bought from SHEIN, guys. I think it's really worth it. Meron pa palang last na top. Ipapakita ko na lang yung picture dito, guys, na suot ko. Kasi, nung hinanap ko, guys, hindi ko talaga mahanap. Pumunta na ako ng 3rd floor dito sa bahay, guys. Hindi ko talaga... 3rd floor. Mansyon ang bahay mo, te. Hindi ko makita, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nalagay. Wala siya sa laundry. Maybe nalagay ko siya sa box na pinadala ko sa Pinas. Anyways, ipapakita ko yung picture dito, guys, para makita nyo. And I got that one for $10.59. Super cute din niya, guys. I love the detailing dito sa harapan. Merong lips. Parang nakabite pa siya sa lips, guys. Super cute. And I think the white and the red, they go well together. So that's everything that I bought from SHEIN, guys. Let me know sa comment section below kung ano yung favorite piece nyo sa haul na to. For me, yung favorite ko is these pants, I think. Sobrang nakyutan talaga po. And also, the measurements is just perfect for me, guys. Ayan. So, super love this one. Pero love ko silang lahat, guys, ha. Ito lang yung favorite ko talaga. And that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, if you want to see more try-on haul, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah!